What is going on, everybody? It's Ryan with Tundra 4x4.club, and today we're going to go over some ABS protection that I think that you need, and we're going to get into that right now. If this is your first time here, I'd like to say welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe down below. Hit that bell icon so you know every single time we post a video. So this is going to be more of a do as I say and not as I do type of video. When we were out at Sedona, we went to a place called Cinders. Cinders is a volcanic rock area. It's real lightweight in small pieces of rock. While we were off-roading, next thing I know, I looked down, all my sensor lights are on. My 4 high, 4 low, ABS, you name it. I thought there was something definitely wrong. Tundra 452 had pointed out, hey, that's usually an ABS sensor issue. Luckily for me, we were able to go around and check those sensors and wiggle them around a little bit, and the lights came off. So maybe a small little rock came up and just kind of dinged one of those sensors, but I was this close to having my trip ruined. I knew SDHQ had those sensors out for quite some time. I couldn't quite justify picking them up. Maybe I was stubborn, I don't know. But because my trip was almost ruined, it allowed me to do a little bit of research. To fix one of those sensors is $535. So needless to say, when I got back home, I immediately ordered these ABS sensor guards from SDHQ, and here's what they look like. They are pretty beefy. Going through the experience that I did, I knew there was no other option. They cost about $100, so $25 insurance policy, not a bad deal. Your sensor guards on your Tundra are pretty exposed, and you don't realize that. You don't really pay attention to it, but it's right on the inner portion of the wheel well, as you can see here, and this is what it looks like before you install the sensor guards. Installation is so easy, it's not even worth me showing you how to do it, because all you do is extract the OEM bolt that your sensor has, installing the billet guard. The SDHQ sensor guards actually comes with all the hardware you need to install the new bolt on there, and here's what it looks like once it's done and complete. You can just see that it's just got so much more protection around that sensor. Don't do what I did. It almost ruined my trip. But that's it. It's just going to be a quick video today. I did not find these on Amazon. However, I do have a link down below where you can just copy and paste that into your web browser if you want to pick that up. But that's going to do it for us. And until next time, we will catch you on the back roads.